Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping, and today's video is going to be a Zara haul. So I went into the store last weekend because I needed to return something I got in the sale, and it was terrible. It was not given at all. It was a faux leather jacket. I only got it for like $40 and it was regularly $170 or $160, but I'm like, I don't know. I would not have paid that much money, or if I would have ordered that regular price, I just would have been really upset. I always go into the store to return things, and so when I did, I saw a few items that I liked. And it's not too many things. I picked up 4 items, 1 pair of shoes, and 3 clothing items. They're all denim, just for transparency. I thought that that was really the only thing at this stage of the sale that was really there that was worth getting. Everything else left in the store was junk, and there was a lot of junk there. Like, I was surprised they had so much stuff. But what I got, I really liked. So I will do a try on haul for you guys. I tried those on before I left the store because I wasn't going to come back, because you guys know how Zara is when it comes down to like long lines and whatnot. So I am in my Barbie mode today. I have on this dress from Rixo. I got this out of the Target times Rixo collaboration. That was at the same time of the Christopher John Rogers, Alexia, and then Rixo. I got a lot of Christopher John Rogers items too. That was really the big draw. But to be honest with you, if you didn't partake in any of the other dresses from the other 2 designers, then you know what? Condolences to you, because they're continuing to give. So anyway, with this polka dot design, I don't know. I thought it was kind of giving more Barbie. It kind of reminded me of that, since this is Barbie's opening weekend. And I really want to see the movie. I have a pink lip from MAC, old school MAC. I know that some of y'all think y'all too good for MAC, but I still like MAC a lot. This is flat out fabulous. Do you guys remember that? Let me tell you, I used to think I was the bomb with my flat out fabulous, and I still have it. I love this pink. I think it looks good on dark skin tones, you know, without having to like put on like a brown liner to kind of like tone it down. I love it. I have on a pair of earrings from Hoop Mob. I've talked about them on my channel before. And I also have on jewelry, minimal jewelry from Louisa. Speaking of Louisa, they are sponsoring this portion of the video. And I kind of want to talk to you guys about the quality of their items. Like, I have so many pieces from them because I worked with them for like the past couple of years at this point. And when I tell you that their items do not turn at all, I have on like 4 rings I've gotten from them, because every time they send me something, I usually always get something different. The first time that they've sent me things, they sent me like necklaces. And again, I have on 2 of them. I have several necklaces that I wear all the time, especially this one here, because it has like the little pave diamonds, and I love those. And this is something that I wear like every day, even if I don't like wear a lot of jewelry, like even on my Zoom calls or whatever. I usually always have on at least this one here. I love it. It's like a V-cut one. I've had this now for I want to say about 1.5 years. The same with this one as well. It has like more of a little, like, kind of like a cubic zirconia diamond, or I don't know if it's cubic zirconia, but it's a little bit of like a fake diamond in here, and it looks great. And it just doesn't turn. So they really do have a really good warranty, especially for like the price points of their items, because they start at like $39. They did send me a few pieces that I wanted to show you guys today. But I did want to tell you that, you know, I am like 1.5 years in working with them, and like their jewelry is very impressive. Even with the rings that I have on right now, like I can tell you they have not turned, and I wash my hands with my rings. Like, I don't take my rings off to go to the bathroom. You know, they get washed with everything else. It gets soap, it gets lotion, and it doesn't tarnish. Like, it really doesn't. And I can tell you that I bought a couple of rings from like a market here in DC, and I cannot say the same thing for those rings. Because I used to have one here, and I used to have one here, and those were the other 2 rings, but I don't wear them anymore because they've tarnished, and so it's not as golden as these. So I kind of just use my Louisa ones, as you can see here, and here. So yeah, so let me show you guys what they sent me recently. Before, you know, I had just gotten mainly necklaces, and then I also started getting rings. I'll say maybe back in December they sent this to me. So I said I wanted to do some silver jewelry, because I'm trying to get into my little silver jewelry bag. You know what I mean? So I figured I would get a few things that would be conducive to that. And I thought these were so cute. So these are called the Celeste in silver. And well, first of all, you guys should know this, but it does come in like a pouch, you know, and they have different size pouches. And I do like these a lot because I do use them whenever I travel. I put all my jewelry in here, and not just Ana Luisa, but they're really good travel pieces. But yeah, and so the earrings comes in like this little white packaging here, inside of the bag. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I will insert close-up pictures of this. But I love these. It's like more or less like little constellation. It's a moon and also a star. So one's a moon, one's a star. Love them. I will put the prices on the screen. I have no idea how much they cost. I have a discount code for you guys, 20%, that I will link below. And then the other silver piece that I got, let's see. I got another silver piece. So I got this. Oh, it's still like wrapped up. But I got this S. So it's like a small S with a silver chain. Again, I will show close-ups of that and insert pictures, but I like it. It's really cute and dainty, and I really like dainty items because I like to layer my jewelry. I'm not really into like the big statement jewelry right now, even though I still have all my old statement jewelry pieces, even though I heard that they're coming back, but I don't know. I kind of just like layering and kind of like making my own thing. That's what I love about layering. And then, let me tell y'all, okay, so I got another pair of earrings, and I've actually already worn these. But I think these are called the Dane. I don't know if that's the real name of those, but these are like dagger earrings. They're like, so it has like a little circle, like a half circle with this little dagger that hangs down. I thought it was just so cute and like dainty, because honestly, I don't have a lot of dainty earrings. So I really kind of, you know, just shop for things that I knew I was missing in my jewelry collection, because a lot of times, you know, I do have like the big hoops or whatever, but sometimes during the day or on Zoom calls, I don't really want to do all that. And I was like, I really need some cute ones that will still be cute and still be interesting, but I can still like wear without, you know, doing too much. But yeah, so you can see they're not that big, and they're just really, really cute. And I just love the little dagger that hangs down here. And these are actually in gold. So I love those a lot. I don't think they come in silver, but if they do, then I'll link those as well, because I will link everything that I discuss below as well. And then hear me out. So, okay, I got this gold chain, and I believe it's 16 to 20 inches. So it is adjustable. So it pretty much fits any neck that you have, no matter how large or small. But I got also the number 1, because this is the one for the charms. So they have them in all, I think they have them in numbers on. Is it numbers or is it letters and numbers? It's at least numbers, but I got the number 1 here. So what I want to do is, on this particular chain, I want to do like my birth year, 19 something something. I'm not gonna tell y'all what year I was born, but that's really what I want to do. So I'm going to go, so essentially I was only able to pick like one charm for this one, but I'm going to order the other 3 letters and kind of just do it you know, a little bit of a year thing. I think that's really cute, don't y'all? Because I have not really seen that before. You can just do like 1 year, like if you're born in like 88 or, you know, or 80 or whatever, you could just do like an 80 or like a 1980, something like that. But for me, I'm going to do, you know, my 4-digit year. That's like the vision. So I'm going to order those probably this week, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I think that's really, really cool. So anyway, I really do like Ana Luisa as a jewelry brand. Their products are really, really good quality. They give you a 2-year warranty. They are very much so eco-friendly. They're a carbon neutral company. And what that means is that, you know, the amount of carbon dioxide that they put out into the atmosphere, because carbon dioxide, for those of us who did not like chemistry in school, is not good for the environment. So the amount of carbon dioxide that they put out there, they actually take the same amount away. So that makes them carbon neutral. So there's no like plus net carbon dioxide going into the world. By the way, for those of you who always hear that term, who really have no idea what that means, and I'm pretty sure that that involves a lot of people, they have a 2-year warranty on all of their jewelry. It's strength tested, tarnish tested, and I have not had any issues with any of the pieces that I currently have, so I highly, highly recommend them. Again, I will link all of the pieces that I have below. I also link some of the pieces that I have on me right now, including these rings, down below as well, because those are going to be considered some of my favorites. And then I'm going to also link my discount code, which is going to be 20% off. So that concludes this portion of the video. Thanks to Louisa for sponsoring it. Okay, so let's get into this Zara haul. The first item that I have are going to be like these, what I would say, these Balenciaga dupes. These are so cute. Okay, so they have like the shorter version, and they'll have like the knee boot version of these that I really wanted. I know that Balenciaga, people are like anti-Balenciaga right now because of the controversy of like that ad. However, you know, before that, I really liked the boots. I don't know. I just really love it. I think it just looks very, very chic. So Zara did a dupe, and these were originally $229. Now, would I have paid that? No. But I believe I got these because they were not marked, and they were still $229. And a lot of people don't know to like scan the items, because every time I'm looking at something, my phone is out and I scan it on the app so I can know like exactly what the price is. So when I scanned it, it came out to be $29.99. So these boots were $200 off. $229 retail. I got them for $30. Obviously, they're real leather. They're just a really, really good dupe for that particular shoe, and they just look so chic. I love the pointed heel. I love the fact that the heel isn't super high. I love like this little buckle action going around here. I just think it's so cute. Oh, I love what the setting of it, but it's not too much. You know what I mean? Like just a perfect like little shoe to kind of like make an outfit that may be a little bit more basic, more interesting. So I love these. They fit perfectly at the size 38. No issues with that. The leather is great. I love it. Probably the highlight of the find there. So I'm so glad that a lot of people did not know to check the prices on this, because that was what it was. I'm assuming that it was just a return that got put back on the floor, and they never scanned it to put it into clearance. So it was just kind of on its own, and I figured they were on sale, and I scanned it and the price came up. The next thing I got, I had actually been eyeing when it first came out, because it's been on the site for a long time, and it did go into the sale. It was regularly $90, and I ended up getting it for $26. This is in a size medium. It is a denim jumpsuit, and I really like this a lot. I will insert pictures. I hope I can still find it, but it's oversized, but it kind of fits tight in the waist area, but then of course it has like more of a baggy feel in the pants area. So it kind of has a looser feel up here. You know, it's a little bit more fitted in the pant area, so it kind of makes it seem like you have on like a two-piece and not a jumpsuit. And I think I kind of like that idea of having like that whole denim on denim look without having two pieces. I think that's what drew me to this piece initially. I just never pulled the trigger on it because it was $90. So, you know, I have my limits sometimes when it comes to Zara, you know, and spending $90 on something at Zara is just, if it's not a pair of shoes that's leather, I'm probably not going to do it. And I already have a lot of denim anyway, so, but this was perfect. And I love the way it fits. I will definitely insert pictures of how it fits on. The next item I got was this denim dress. I don't even remember seeing this on the website, because here's the thing. Even though I don't buy a lot at Zara, I still stock their site. I do. So I usually still know like what's there because I mean, I'm a fashion girl and I need to know what's out there. I need to know what's hot. I need to know what's trending. I need to know what the girls are going to be wearing. So anyway, this is it's not super oversized. It fits perfectly. Like I'm going to have to show you guys this, but it's pretty much a midi length and it's not super fitted, but I don't know, the way it fits I just like because it's kind of loose, so it's not something that I feel like, you know, if you wanted to put something on and be comfortable, this will probably be perfect and you can still like look very chic and very like pulled together because sometimes, you know, even though we like some things to look snatched, it's not super comfortable. You know what I mean? But I was drawn to this because of that. It also has like a zipper in the front. I'm typically not that big on zipper closures on clothes when it comes to like the front, but unless it's like a pair of jeans or like a pair of pants or something like that. I thought it was cute. It's called the minimal denim dress. And you know what? That's actually perfect. And that's the first time I actually saw that. This again was $90 and it says it's $50, but I ended up paying $30 for it. So again, I thought it was a wonderful, wonderful buy and you guys were going to like it on me. I know y'all will. So that's that. The last thing I got were a pair of jeans that I did not need because I have more than enough jeans, but I just thought that the cut of these jeans were so cute. It is a light denim, but they're like super baggy. And I don't know, I just liked it. It didn't have a ton of distressing on it, just a little bit at this little knee area. And they're long, but they're not like super long. So if I put on like a little tiny heel, it'll be fine. But I don't know, just the way that this actually like fits on, I was in love with. These were $50. I ended up getting it for $19.99. So I liked it. And then the denim is really soft. It just seems really comfortable. I think that's part of the reason why I picked them up is because when I was looking at it, you know, I don't like a stiff denim. Like, you know, it has its place and maybe in like the winter time, but I feel like now, and I know I'll get a lot of use out of this now, like just throwing it on with like a crop top or whatever, or even any type of like tee, I think would be really, really cute. But I love like the bagginess of it because look how wide that is. Like it's really wide. It's almost the length of me. Look at that. Almost. So it's super wide. And you know, I like a big, wide, oversized jean. Like that's just my vibe. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that concludes the Zara haul. I like all the pieces. They are denim. I'm loving this whole denim trend simply because I'm a denim person anyway. Like I've always bought like denim skirts and lots of different pairs of jeans and cuts of jeans because I'm obsessed with denim anyway. However, because denim is now trending, you're getting a lot more interesting pieces. So that's really why I'm kind of like really like reveling in like this denim craze right now. Also, don't forget that I linked my Louisa discount code below. I linked all the pieces that I have on as well as the new pieces that were sent to me. I highly recommend it. The discount code is for 20% off. Their items are spectacular. Like the quality is insane. They do not tarnish at all. They will last you for a long time and their prices start off at $39 and their prices are really cheap, especially if you use the discount code, and they're always running sales. So to me, I think that it's just a really good investment if you're looking to like update your jewelry or elevate your jewelry a little bit more than like the jewelry that you'll get at like a Claire's or something like that. But anyway, discount codes below and also the pieces that I have linked are below. But anyway, don't forget to engage below. Let me know what your favorite pieces were and I hope you guys are having a good weekend.